on the front. I love it. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Mine train. Look at this. Wow. Here we go. Oh, yes. Let's do it. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey everybody, John here. Okay, in here you had a Disney song going, so I had to remove that, and I want to talk to you and kind of let you know my experiences on the ride anyway. This ride is excellent. I think it's a great addition to the Magic Kingdom. I think it totally works for the theme of the Magic Kingdom. It's actually bigger than what it seems, faster and bigger than what it seems here on the video, in my personal opinion, but definitely not like too much. I think it's very, themed right with the Magic Kingdom. I also rode a bunch of the different coasters, and this was very smooth. Maybe it's, I don't know, it's the way it's designed, in my personal opinion, or it's one of the newer coasters, but I think they did a really, really good job of this. It's a combination of some action, some story. It's smooth, it's fun, it's thrills, but also I think it works for the whole family. Obviously, we had my daughter on the ride and my wife. Obviously, there also is the height requirements. You have to check that, but this was a great, great ride. Really, really like this. One of our favorite rides in all of Disney. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Let's go, buddy. All right. Awesome ride. I love the twists and turns. Really, really great new ride here at Magic Kingdom. Okay, here we go. We're at the end pretty much. And this is really cool. You had Snow White, you had the dwarves there. It was really fun while you waited for the queue. You had this themed sort of action and ending of the story all right there to see as you get ready to go out. So it was really awesome. It's not that long of a ride, but we really, really love this ride a lot. It's one of our favorite rides at Disney World, and there definitely was a significant line for it. It seems to be very, very popular, so we really like this. But we want to thank you again for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. A lot of our viewers aren't subscribers. Please subscribe, please rate this video up, and also please turn on notifications. Thanks so much. We have so many other great videos, including Disney videos, so be sure to check those out. Thanks so much. I'm John D. Villarreal. I'll see you next time.